Hi folks, this is the Leaving Cert Higher Level Maths Paper 2 for 2023. So it starts off with a probability question. So there's a wheel here and there's different sectors on it. So there's 5 sectors with €6, 3 with 9 and the rest are 0. So you have to find the probability that Fiona gets a 6 and then gets a 9 and then gets another 6. So the probability of her getting 6 anyway has to be 5 over 12 because there's 5 sectors with 6 on it out of a total of 12. So 5 over 12, and then we multiply it by the next thing by getting 9. So 9, there's a 3 over 12 chance. And then another 6 is what you want next, so it's 5 over 12 again. So we just multiply each of those by each other and we should get 0.0723. So you can use calculator. Part B then. So Rowan plays the same game a number of times, so he wants to get €9 for the third time on the 8th spin. So on the 8th time that he plays the game. So what we do is we treat the first 7 times first. And this is a binomial theorem probability. So of the first 7 times that he plays the game, he wants to win twice. So that's 7 choose 2. So 7 choose 2. And that's the way it's written. So we multiply that. This is how we do it, okay? We're going to multiply that by 3 over 12 as a fraction. So 3 over 12 is the probability of success of it happening, okay, of getting a 9. So we do that to the power of 2 because it's choose 2 because there's a 2 in there, so you raise it to the power of 2. And then you multiply that again by the probability of it not happening. So if the probability of it happening is 3 over 12, the probability of it not happening is 9 over 12. And we raise that to the power of 5 then, the difference between the 7 and the 2. So it's n minus r, okay? So that's the first 7 times. That's the probability of him getting 2 out of the first 7, right? Or winning winning 2 of the first 7. But then we have to multiply that again by him winning on the 8th time. So the probability of him winning on the 8th time is just going to be 3 out of 12. Right, so you can put all that in the calculator together. You're multiplying all those things by each other. Just be careful. That's a 7 choose 2. That's not a 7 over 2 at the start. So you should get 0.0779. And that's the final answer. It's correct to 4 decimal places. Right, so Olga plays the game 2 times. So she only plays it twice. So find the probability of her getting less than 16. So she's going to play it twice. So if you think about it, the only 2 numbers you could get that will give you more than 16, so if you look at it in reverse, would be 9 and 9. So if she gets 9 plus 9, that's 18. But if she gets any other numbers, then like if she got 9 plus 6, that's only going to be 15. So that wouldn't work. Or well, that would work in this case. But what we're looking at is we're looking at it for it not to work, which is only 1 chance really. And the probability of getting a 9 and then another 9 would be 3 over 12 times 3 over 12. So that's the probability of getting 2 9s. So that's the probability of getting 2 9s. So if that's the probability of getting 2 9s, then the probability we're looking for it not to happen. So we're looking for it to get something less than 16. So we're going to do, well, that would be 9 over 144. So we're going to do 1, take away 9 over 144. And that should give us 0.9375. So that's it. So it's a small probability because it's not very likely. If she gets any other 2 numbers on, if she gets a 9 and a 0, or a 6 and a 6, or a 0 and a 6, or anything like that, then she will not well, she'll get a number less than 16. So that's 0.9, so that's 93% chance. And that's it, that's all for first question.